Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the GamePower Warcry ATX mid-tower gaming PC case, and let me tell you, this thing is a showstopper. With its unique aquarium-like design, it's an instant eye-catcher in any gaming setup. But it's not just about looks. This case packs some serious performance too. Equipped with 6 pre-installed RGB high airflow fans, along with a remote and controller, you can easily customize your cooling setup to keep your components running at their best. And if that's not enough, you can add up to 10 fans, including AIO coolers, ensuring optimal cooling no matter how intense your gaming sessions get. Crafted with a full tempered glass structure, this case not only looks premium but offers durability and protection for your high-end components. Plus, it's designed to support ATX motherboard systems, so compatibility is never an issue. Installation is a breeze with the GamePower Warcry. The easy assembly and removable tempered glass panels make the setup process quick and hassle-free, so you can spend less time building and more time gaming. Overall, the GamePower Warcry ATX mid-tower gaming PC case is a solid choice for any gamer looking to take their setup to the next level. With its premium design, high performance, and easy installation, it's a standout option in the crowded market of PC cases. If you want to elevate your gaming experience, this is definitely worth considering. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.